Two ways to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn the two ways on how we can transfer contacts from Android to iPhone device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. The two free ways on how we can transfer the contacts from an Android to iPhone are using a Google account and using an iOS app, which is easily available on Google Play Store. You may just open your Google Play Store, after that search for iOS app and install it on your device and set it up. So what Google account does is this method stores contacts in the cloud and syncs them across the devices. So make sure to hit the backup in your Google account, hit your contacts backup in your Google account. After that, you will be using Google account in order to transfer the contacts from an Android to an iPhone. Same goes to the Move to iOS app. Also, this app can transfer contacts from an Android device to iPhone. You're just going to set it up. In order to use a Google account to transfer contacts, what you're going to do is step number one is on your Android device, just go to the settings and go to your Google tab and tap on backup. After that, make sure your contacts is toggled on for syncing. Whereas on your iPhone, just go to the settings and then mail and then accounts and then add account. After that, enter your Gmail credentials that you used on your Android device. Just use that on your iPhone as well. After that, your contact from Google account should sync with the iPhone and begin importing automatically. So just follow the steps and you should be able to use a Google account in order to import the contacts from Android to iPhone. Whereas, how can we use the iOS app? To use the iOS app, as I said, you need to download and install the Move to iOS app on your Android device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, you just need to turn on your iPhone and follow the prompts that is shown on the screen. First of all, you need to go to a network which is stable, connect to a Wi-Fi that is stable. After that, choose your content and wait. After that, you just need to transfer your phone number and SIM, or you may transfer your eSIM as well. After that, set up your iOS device, and that's how you basically transfer the contacts from Android to iPhone. So therefore, these are the two methods on how you can transfer the contacts from iOS to iPhone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.